Hello, and welcome. If you are feeling worry, fear, or anxiety about your pregnancy, know that you are not alone. It is natural to feel uncertainty during early pregnancy, and acknowledging these emotions is the first step toward nurturing yourself and your baby. Today, we will guide you through a gentle, healing meditation to release fear, cultivate calm, and connect deeply with your growing child. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes softly, rest your hands gently on your belly, and allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. This is your time to honor your body, your baby, and this miraculous journey you are beginning. Settling into comfort and awareness, begin by noticing your body and the support beneath you. Feel the surface holding your weight and allowing you to rest safely. Place your hands lightly on your belly, feeling the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention inward. Imagine a soft, protective light surrounding your body like a warm cocoon, creating a space of safety, love, and nurturing. Take a deep, slow breath in, feeling your chest and belly expand, and exhale fully, letting tension, fear, and uncertainty flow out of your body. With each inhale, invite calm, reassurance, and comfort. With each exhale, release anxiety, worry, and any heaviness in your mind. Allow your body to soften completely, your shoulders dropping, your jaw relaxing, and your mind resting in peace. Deep healing breath. Bring your full attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, feeling the belly gently rise as it fills with calming energy. Exhale softly through your mouth for 6 counts, letting stress, tension, or fear drift away. With each inhale, imagine drawing in warmth, safety, and healing energy. With each exhale, release anxious thoughts and any lingering discomfort. Visualize each breath as a wave of soothing energy flowing directly to your womb, surrounding your baby with calm, protection, and love. Let your breathing become smooth, steady, and rhythmic, anchoring you in this healing moment. Full body awareness and relaxation slowly guide your awareness from the top of your head to your toes. Notice any tension, tightness, or discomfort. Perhaps your forehead is tight, your shoulders are tense, your back feels heavy, or your stomach feels uneasy. Simply observe without judgment. Imagine a warm, soft light moving gently through each area, releasing tension and soothing discomfort. Let your hands resting on your belly act as a reminder of connection, care, and love. With every breath, allow comfort and ease to spread through your body. Imagine your muscles softening, your organs relaxing, and your entire being opening to healing energy. Flowing water visualization. Picture a gentle, warm stream of water flowing slowly through your body. Starting at the top of your head, feel it move down to your toes. This water is soft, healing, and soothing. As it passes through your belly, imagine it dissolving fear, tension, or discomfort, leaving only calm and lightness behind. Let this water circulate through every organ, muscle, and cell, carrying peace, comfort, and reassurance. Float in this gentle current, feeling safe, nurtured, and supported. Visualize the water washing away any lingering anxiety, worry, or fear, replacing it with serenity and trust in your body and baby. Healing light and protective energy. Now, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding your womb and belly. This light is soothing, protective, and restorative. Visualize it slowly expanding to fill your entire body, carrying peace, comfort, and reassurance. Blend in a soft green light, gentle and healing, moving through your body and bringing balance, calm, and nourishment. Let these lights wrap you and your baby in a cocoon of safety. With each inhale, feel warmth and love entering your body. With each exhale, release tension, fear, or worry. Imagine this protective light growing brighter, stronger, and more comforting with every breath, creating an unshakable sense of safety for you and your baby. Emotional healing and release. As you breathe deeply, allow emotions to surface naturally. Perhaps there is worry, fear, doubt, or uncertainty. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment. Imagine them rising and gently dissolving into the golden and green light surrounding you. With every exhale, release tension and anxiety. With every inhale, invite calm, reassurance, and love. Feel your body and mind opening to healing energy. Know that this moment of mindfulness strengthens your connection with your baby and supports both of you in safety and peace. Gentle body awareness and connection. Bring your awareness fully to your belly. Feel the subtle presence of life within you. Rest your hands lightly on your womb and imagine sending warmth, love, and calm to your baby with each inhale and exhale. Sense the growing connection, allowing comfort, reassurance, and a sense of deep safety to flow between you and your child. Let this connection deepen, filling your body with trust, calm, and serenity. Mindful visualization of safety and nurturing. Visualize yourself in a peaceful, safe place. Perhaps it is a quiet meadow, a calm beach, or a sunlit forest. Notice the warmth, the gentle breeze, and the serene surroundings. With each step or movement in your visualization, feel trust, confidence, and calm growing within you. Picture your baby thriving, safe, and enveloped in nurturing energy. Allow this scene to fill your heart with reassurance and peace, reminding you that you and your baby are protected and supported. Affirmations for healing, safety, and peace. Silently or aloud, repeat gentle affirmations, letting them resonate deeply within you. Say, "My body is strong and capable. My baby is safe and loved. I release fear and welcome calm. I am supported, and every breath I take brings reassurance and peace." Feel these words wash over your body, mind, and heart, filling you with a profound sense of comfort, trust, and safety. Let them anchor you in this moment of healing. Deepening connection with your baby. Bring your awareness fully to your baby once more. Imagine them resting safely in your womb, enveloped in protective light. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and the gentle rise and fall of your belly, creating harmony and connection. With each breath, send love, warmth, and calm to your child. Picture your baby responding with a sense of serenity and comfort. Allow gratitude to fill your heart for this miraculous journey and the growing bond between you and your baby. Gratitude and inner peace. Take a few moments to offer gratitude to your body for its strength, patience, and nurturing ability. Appreciate the life growing within you, your journey, and yourself. Visualize a soft, protective glow surrounding you and your baby, keeping you safe, calm, and supported. Let this calm energy settle deeply within your body, carrying comfort, reassurance, and serenity long after this meditation ends. Slowly returning to awareness when you feel ready, gently bring awareness back to your surrounding. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch softly, and slowly open your eyes. Carry the sense of calm, connection, and reassurance with you throughout your day. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you feel fear or anxiety. Your breath, your visualization, and your loving connection with your baby are always available to bring comfort, support, and peace. Feel safe, supported, and calm as you move through your day, knowing your body is strong and your baby is safe. Thank you for dedicating this time to yourself and your baby. This guided meditation is here to help you release fear, nurture your body, and create a deep sense of calm and reassurance. If this meditation brought you peace and comfort, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share your experiences or favorite meditation techniques in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and may your day be filled with serenity, healing, and gentle energy.